How to update Intel HD graphic drivers in your Windows 10 or 11. So I will show the perfect method. So let me start with the video. So first we need to go in that control panel. Here you come to the search bar and come to the control panel here. Just open it, and here in view bar you need to select that large icon options, and now we need to find that device manager option here. So here we can see you need to find out that device manager here. This is my device manager. Just click on it and open it. Okay, or you can simply, there is another way, right click on this toolbar, okay, right click on that window icon, and here you can see this device manager option. Okay, so we have already opened that pop-up. Okay, this is pop-up window. Okay, now come to the view and make sure you have select that show hidden device. Now you can see the display adapter. Here you can see your graphic HD that drivers. Right click on it, go to the property. Here we can go to the driver option, and here you can see the driver provider and driver date and the version. Okay, so you can go to the Intel directly on browser, go to the Intel website and select your driver and download it and install it, or there is a one direct options. You can go here and go to the update drivers. Okay, so you can search automatically for drivers on internet and try to install. Just click on it and it will be start installing, but my driver is up to date, so it is saying that it is already installed that base driver. Okay, and here the second option, browse computer. Here we this is our path. Go to the browse. Okay, you need to click on this, let me pick up from list. So here you can see the both drivers which are available on your computer. So you can select one by one and click on next. Once you click on next, the driver will be reinstalled. Again come to the same window, select this and just click on next, then it will be start installing. Okay, now if you go to this option, search automatically for drivers, you can select that. Okay, but make sure come to the settings and go to the systems, go to the window updates. Here make sure you have enabled this your update option, window update, enable it. Okay, if it is off, then enable it, restart your PC and go to the this option. Okay, and start to search the driver on your PC, or you can simply go to the that Intel official ID official website and search for this driver, and you can download from there. Okay, and after download you can install it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.